Well, my instinct is pretty obvious, I think. There is a major company, two major companies in the district between Agnico Eagle and El Dorado. We can possibly add Wesdome into the mix as well, because it's another of the producers. But the reality is that when we look at these things, Agnico Eagle is $25 billion company, and El Dorado is at $2.2 billion, the second largest in the region. And then you have Wesdome, which is $804 million. So you have a $25 billion company, a $2 billion company, and a $1 billion company. And then you have three exploration companies essentially in the area: Cartier, Probe, and O3 Mining. O3 Mining being the only one 12 kilometers from the major mill called Canadian Malartic. In my experience and with my instinct, what we have seen in the history of mining is, in the rise of gold price, consolidation. And it happens in a way that you cannot even imagine. It's just one after another one. There's always been like that, and it will continue to be like that. And I'm not trying to sound cocky, but our risk on the downside is very much minimized, because we have a pre-feasibility, because of all the money has been spent, because we are besides infrastructure, because we are in the right jurisdiction, because we have water, because we have electricity, because we have airports, we have roads, we have manpower, we have the support of the Québec government, we have the support of the different mining industry in Val-d'Or. And on top of that, you have already a pre-feasibility study with options to find more ore in an area that, you know, there has been already 50 million ounces being found. So if you have to choose a company and the jockey that essentially will allow you to minimize your risk and maximize your upside, it's us. We have a lot of institutional shareholders that has been supporting us now for a number of years, and that really shows the quality of the project and the benefits of it. No, I mean, we have Franklin Templeton, we have Merck, we have Van Eck, we have some investors out of the Europe as well. So, I mean, this is a company that you have a solid pool of investors, no, which makes it very unique. I mean, Raffer out of the UK is not one of the fund managers or funds that will invest in any company, and yet they are part of O3 Mining. So we have Osisko Mining as one of our largest shareholders with 20%, institutional shareholders, and not less important, myself and our family. We have 6% of the company. We bought it at the highest price at $3.88, most of our stock. We continue to buy, and we have not sold one single share. And with regards to money, we built our cash with regards to equities, in the sense that we have been reallocating some of our assets to other companies for which we have gained some equities that has value. And today we have around $40 million, depending on the day. Sometimes could be even 45, and some other days even 60. If the gold price rallies and those companies rally as well, we may have 80. It really depends. But right now we have around $55 million in cash and equivalents, which essentially tells you that the company, on an enterprise value, so that means the market cap minus the equities that we have and the cash that we have, it's around $45 million, which gives you as an investor a fantastic opportunity to invest if you believe in the idea that gold will be rallying.